Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add a link to a column in Elementor without add-on or external plugin in WordPress website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Elementor plugin and then on screen you see columns. Now hover on any column and click on it. Now you see. So only hover work on link text. So we are going to add link in column without using any external plugin. Now go to Elementor page and then you see different columns and then you see edit columns. So click on it and then on left side you see layout, style, advanced. So click on advanced and then you see CSS classes. Now add class clickable. So we added class clickable and then click on update. So we will do this using CSS. Now we are going to add custom CSS for this class to make our column clickable. Now go to customize section. So we are in additional CSS. Now paste CSS and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see CSS class clickable and then you see some custom CSS. So you can add it and then click on publish. Now go to Elementor page and then click on edit column and then go to advanced section and then add CSS class clickable and then go to customize section in additional CSS. So add some custom CSS. So you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now go to Elementor page again. If you want to make the CSS work, then you need to have at least one clickable widget within the column. Now you see we added clickable widget. In that column, we added CSS class and custom CSS. So you can use any widget like image, text, heading, button, HTML widget. So currently we are using heading widget. Now you see edit heading. Now go to page and refresh the page. Now you see we added link. So we added link in this heading widget. But we hover on column. Now you see column clickable. Now click on it. Now you see another page open. So just add CSS and then add CSS class in column. In advanced section you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.